Okay, so I've been using this for a little while now. Works really good. I need to clean it after every mowing with an air hose just to keep it up, but I'm a little bit behind on that. As you can see over here, I'm in the middle of cutting some really long grass. I got behind. We were really busy for a while there. So I'm going to show you that, but first I'll show you this short grass along the edge here is getting back long again. So I want to cut that just as a demonstration real quick. I wanted to correct something, I think, on this. Also, I wanted to show you how these work correctly. This is the release for the guides down here to fold it up. But this is your handle. If you let go of this, it shuts off. If you push this in and push that, it moves. To start it, you need to hold this handle in. You need to hold this handle in and push the button here. That starts the mower. If you let go, it stops. So if you fall and let go, it stops. Really quiet, really good. It runs a little high when you get into long grass because I think it picks up the intensity of the blade cutting. But and this is your speed control. So get it going, and then you can run it just like that. Like I said, it's really quiet. And when you're cutting grass that's just a little bit long, you can go pretty quick with this thing. It's got a real high speed to the cutting. So if it's really short and it's really nice grass and it's a nice, smooth, level area, you can really rip along with it. My grass is a little bit rougher, so I take it a little bit slower, and on this adjustment, you can go really slow, or you can go pretty quick. That's pretty good. Now let's go over and cut some long grass. Okay, we're gonna cut some pretty long grass here. Like I said, I was really busy, let it get out of control, but this mower handles it really good. Instead of setting it on the high setting, because it's just too long for that, I kind of chop into it and back off, chop into it and back off. And be real careful not to overtax the blades and the motor. And it works really good. When I get up to the shorter grass over here, I'll just go real slow and then I'll go back and forth without chopping into it. Check it out. So you can hear it go a little bit higher and rev there. When it hits the higher grass, it revs up a little bit. Now that I've reached more sparse grass, I'm just going to let it go and come back just a little bit. So you can hear it rev up there when it starts hitting along the grass. It feels, I think, the tension against the blades, against the motor, and it gives it a little bit more punch, and it works really good. I go back and forth so I can mulch. I'm in mulch mode. I don't want it blowing out. I want to mulch it up as best I can to not leave a mess. So as you can see, it does a really good job, even on the longer grass. When you get this long, you got to take it slow and go over the area twice. But on the short grass, you could just go, no, most people will be cutting like this. You can put it in fast mode and it goes. And when you're cutting that really short grass in your yard, You can cut like an acre with this without having to change both the batteries, charge them, because you got 2 batteries in this thing. If you like our videos, please subscribe, hit that like button. We'll see you next time.